Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to customize the inventory page to include various details. Either you can add more or you can reduce it as well. So this applies to the main inventory page as well as if you're doing bulk edit, then you can also customize the tables as well. So let's jump back into the screen. Once you're on eBay, you have to go to listings and then click on active listings, and that will take you to this page. And from here, there's an option called customize table. So if you can click on customize table, here you can see there are two options. From here, you can select the one that you want to include it on the table. All those details, you just have to select it. And then you can organize it as well. So, which need to come first. So you can, from here, you can see there's an option to arrange as well. So what if you want to move it closer to the first row, then you can just click here, select that one, and then move like this. Once it's all been done, you can just click on save. And if you want to restore to defaults, you can do it from here as well. So that's how you customize. And let's jump back to bulk edit as well. So if you want to bulk edit, let's see this one and click on edit and edit selected. That will take you to the bulk edit page like this. Here also you can see a customize columns option. So this is a little bit different than the previous one because there is no option to arrange it. Okay. Here you can only select. You can see here. So you can select whatever you want to do it and then click apply. So this is a very easy way of doing it. So if you want to edit the description, you can do it from here without leaving this page, and then click on save on this side, submit all. So that's all you have to do. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks a lot for watching.